Is Saudi Arabia abandoning any possibility of a nuclear option?
Wolf, I would not discuss these things in a public forum, certainly not on television. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is committed to two things. I always say two things we do not negotiate over: our faith and our security. Saudi Arabia will do whatever it takes in order to protect our nation and our people from any harm, and I will leave it at that.
Because when I spoke with Secretary Kerry, we discussed the reports out there that Saudi Arabia potentially could go shopping for a bomb maybe in Pakistan. You were just in Pakistan. Did you discuss nuclear cooperation with the Pakistanis?
I discussed the bilateral relationship with Pakistan, which is a strategic one. We discussed the regional situation. We discussed ways to promote security and stability in the region. And we discussed the negative and aggressive Iranian interference in the affairs of the region.
So the issue of Pakistan potentially providing nuclear technology to Saudi Arabia, did that come up?
I'm not going to get into details of discussions we have with foreign governments, and certainly not allied governments. Wolf, I'm sure you understand.
What do you need, what do you want Iran to do now to restore diplomatic relations?
Very simple. Iran should cease interfering in the affairs of the countries of the region. Iran should cease to support terrorism. Iran should cease to assassinate diplomats and blow up embassies. Iran should cease to support militias whose objective is to destabilize countries in the region. Iran should cease its policy of negative propaganda in the region. Other than that, things should be fine with Iran.
Are you okay with the billions of dollars that Iran is about to get as a result of the nuclear deal?
Wolf, I think most countries in the world are not okay with it. I think most countries in the world are concerned that Iran will use these funds in order to fund its nefarious activities rather than use them to develop its country and improve the living standards of its people. I hope I'm wrong.
Foreign Minister, you write in the New York Times about how Iran is promoting terrorism, but for you this is also very personal, and you mentioned this in the article. The Iranians, through an agent in Washington, tried to kill you. Do you have confidence that this Iran deal now will work and that you no longer will be on their hit list?
Wolf, I've said before when you asked me about this question that this is not personal. This is not about me. This is about my nation. This is about my region. This is about a country that has been aggressive in its policies, that has had no inhibitions in using terrorism. This is a country that occupied the American embassy in Iran for 444 days.